everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ali Virtue, and yes, this is Grow with this channel where I get to share about my experience on YouTube and how you can get monetized on YouTube. I am here to help guide you just the way I've been guided by other creators, right? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to get your watch hours fast. I know that one of the challenges that we get to face as creators is getting the watch hours, right? And also getting subscribers. In fact, as a matter of truth, I sometimes feel like it's even easier to get subscribers than get watch hours. So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing what I recently found out and I have been applying on my other channel and have been seeing it give me results. I'm going to be sharing it here, and hopefully we'll be able to get to practice and get our own result, because yes, it's working for people, it's working for other creators, and you should not be left out. Yes, it's a fast way to get subscribers, it's a fast way to get watch hours, and you're not doing anything wrong. You are not going to go and buy followers, you are not going to go and beg people from other platforms to go and follow you. No, it's you still using YouTube. Let me not be too fast. Let me just get right into the video. I'm showing you a screen record, right? In that screen record, I'm explaining to you how to use this method to get your watch hours faster every day. Yeah, every single day. Now let's just get right into the video. All right, so to get this done, we're going to be using the Google app, right? Either you can use Google app or you use Chrome. Same difference. So you just type in non-copyright rainfall videos. Non-copyright rainfall videos. And we're going to be using Pixabay. Click on that one, and then you give this some time to open up. When it's open, as you can see here, up here you see where they have paid videos I stock. We don't want to click on that one. We want one that is royalty free. That's what we're going for, the ones that are royalty free. So just scroll through them. You can even play them to see what they look like. And when you see the one you prefer, you go ahead and click on it to download it. So let me just click on this one. I like the way it's looking. The next I'm going to do is to click on download and pick the one I want. So I'll just click on download and then allow it to download. You can check the progress over here. Okay, so you can see that it's showing me that it's downloading file. You can go ahead and check the progress. This is it. So I'm going to close this one and wait for it to download. Now let's go on with doing the next thing. So next we're going to head to CapCut and you click on new project. When you click on new project, you're going to pick that video that I downloaded and click on add. After this has been done, we're going to go ahead to the audio and look for, you click on sound FX. Click on sound FX and we're going to type in rainfall sounds. Okay, so we have some options here that we can pick from. I'm just going to go ahead and click on any one and then you click on add. So as you can see now, we have added this sound to the clip. So I'm going to tap on it and click on split to remove the extra, and also I'm going to remove this ending because I do not need it. So this is what the video is going to look like. When this is done, the next thing you should do is to change the Canva to portraits. So you look for aspect ratio and click on aspect ratio. Then you choose this one that is 9:16, the one that has TikTok sign on it. 9:16, right? It looks like this. You can go ahead and increase this so that it covers the entire screen. Right, this is it. This is what it looks like. Because if you don't want to increase it the way I just did, another way that you can get this done is by clicking on the field of aspect ratios. Definitely you leave that one like that. Then you go on to click on the video, right? Then you go on and look for crop. Click on crop
and then you click on that same 9 by 16, then you pinch it to reduce the size. So this is what it looks like, and now you can now go ahead and fill it up to the screen. Any way you choose to do it, you still have the same result. So this is what it looks like, right? Now the next thing you're going to do is to go ahead and export this to your phone. So the next step is to go back to Google and open another page, right? And then you're going to type in restream.io. You type in restream.io. There's a video I made where I explained how to sign up for Restream, how to log into Restream, and how to use Restream. This video link showing up here, you can click on it to watch that video. So you'll be able to understand how to sign in, because I'm not going to explain all that in this video. So I'm going to come back here, Restream. I'm going to come back to Restream. Now, when you want to do to you can go ahead and add up the title here. So I'm just going to name this relaxing rainfall video. So when people get to see this stream, they know what the video is about, and they're not wondering what it is they are watching. So I'm going to click on enter studio without mic. So the next phase you're going to be seeing is this. Next thing they're going to be seeing is this, and just so you are aware, it's very important that you use portrait for your restream video, and that's because you have when you restream on desktop, that's this other one. When you restream on desktop, it's YouTube just shows it to your subscribers. They don't show the video to non-subscribers. They limit it only to subscribers, and that's very limiting for you because you're looking for subscribers. So it's better it's on portraits, so they go ahead and suggest this video to as short form content to anybody and everybody. Okay, what you're going to do next is that you're going to click on the ad scene, right? So that you have the interface looking like this. Then ensure that you have highlighted the one that has the portrait sign without any additions to it. Then go ahead and click on add source. When you click on add source, it's going to show you this interface. Click on upload videos. Then go ahead and look for the video that you want to upload, right? This particular one here is the one we downloaded from Google, and we are going to be using for this particular tutorial. So I'll click on that particular video. Click on that particular video and then give it some time for it to upload on the website. If you've watched to this point, kindly subscribe to the channel if you're here to do that, and if you have anything to ask me, kindly leave it in the comment section, and please don't forget to double tap on your screen so that you can leave a thumbs up on this video. Alright, so when you've gotten to this point, you're just going to click on the video that you've uploaded, and it's going to add to the home page like this, right? So now ensure that you scroll down and ensure that it is on portraits. Don't use this one that has the portrait size and then has something down. That is if you want your brand name to show. There's no need for it. So ensure you pick the first one that is just plain. This is the one you want to use, right? This is the one we want to use. Now the next phase is to allow this to open up. Allow this to just open up. This is the video. Now what we are going to do next is, see here where you have music. You can decide to choose the music, but there's no need for it because we already uploaded the music to this particular video already. We already picked the music. If you can remember, we have done that in CapCut. Now we're going to allow this to play. The next thing I need to do is to loop the video, right? Go ahead and loop it. Click on this three dots showing up here and click on loop, so that this it just keeps playing and playing. The good thing about this one that is not going to be showing that it is a looped video, right? Some people like to watch ASMR videos like this that help them to relax. So the next thing you're going to do now is to click on go live. Once you click on go live, there'll be a countdown, and then this is going to begin to read. Okay, so we've clicked on go live. Now we are live. Now there's something else. If you notice up here, I have handmade goodness. You can please change it to relaxing video, because that is what we want people to see. Relaxing. I already changed it before because of the network and going back and forth with it. Relaxing rainfall video. All right. So just click on update all, and then you have that particular part is going to update. Now this video is already live, right? The video is already live, and we have not played it yet. So the next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on the video so I can begin to play it. And I'm playing it with the sound on, right? I'm playing it with the sound on. Okay, so if you want to see if this is actually reflecting on your channel, let's go ahead to our channel. Let's go ahead to so go on to YouTube, log on to YouTube, and then you search for the channel you're using to do this. Let's see what it looks like. If you check here, you can see that it's showing already that I am restreaming or I'm live. Now if you click on the video, this is what it looks like. Right, this is what it looks like. This is the video restreaming. I can leave this for as long as 9 to 10 to 12 hours, but sorry, this is just for practice, so I won't be leaving it for that long. I'm just going to show you how to end this live stream. You can't end it from here. You can't end it on YouTube Studio. You have to go back to Google Chrome, where you are actually streaming, to end it. Down here where you have end stream, you go ahead and just click on the button to end the live stream. I hope this makes sense. Go ahead and click on end stream to end the live stream, and this is all you need to know for now. Now you should also remember that the longer you get to restream this, the better for you. Even if you don't get views as when you are streaming the video, when it's on your channel, when you upload it, you can go ahead and watch it over and again to get watch hours, right? You can watch it over and again, but chances are, as you are live streaming, people are going to join. People who enjoy to watch this kind of videos are going to join, and you're going to get subscribers and watch hours while the live stream is on.
If you've watched this point, I'm hoping that you found value in this video. Please don't forget to leave a thumbs up for me, leave a subscribe if you need to subscribe, and if you would like to know how to use other methods to apply in order for you to get watch hours fast. You see this video showing up here, just go ahead and click on it, and you're going to be able to watch another video where I talked about how you can get your watch hours even faster. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.